The APQS Comfort Table has a height adjustment of up to 18 inches. So you can always find the perfect height for quilting, whether you're standing or sitting. The highest setting, as measured at the backing roller, is 44 inches. The lowest adjustment, again measured at the backing roller, is 26 inches. The lift columns can be operated in several ways, the first being the up and down arrows located on the right side of the lift control. Press and hold the up or the down arrow to raise or lower the table. The lift controls have two factory preset locations. Preset 1 moves the columns all the way to their highest setting. Preset 2 moves the table all the way to its lowest position. While the table is moving, you can tap the preset again if you want to stop the movement. These presets cannot be changed. Presets 3 and 4, however, can be changed. First, adjust the table height to your preference. Press the M button on the controller, and then press either the 3 or 4 to save a preset.